Lip Service is a British television serial drama portraying the lives of a group of lesbian women living in Glasgow, Scotland. The show centers around three lesbian women in Glasgow navigating love, life, and their careers: Frankie, Kat, and Tess. Frankie is a bisexual photographer known for her impulsive nature and past relationship with Kat. Upon returning to Glasgow, she rekindles feelings for Kat, creating complications. Kat is an architect starting to date again after her relationship with Frankie ended. Though she's involved with the stable and loving policewoman Sam, Kat still harbors feelings for Frankie. Tess is a struggling actress dealing with insecurities and unlucky in love. She encounters various romantic prospects throughout the series.
I've wanted to kiss a woman forever, and you're gorgeous.
Oh, sorry. It's okay, don't worry about it.
Each character embarks on a journey of self-discovery, exploring their desires and identities. Themes of love, desire, betrayals, self-discovery, and friendship intertwine through their journeys. They navigate complicated relationships, explore their sexualities, and grapple with personal issues, all set against the backdrop of Glasgow's vibrant lesbian scene.